welcome to my channel Learn with Sapna. In today's video, this is part 3 of our video channel and we'll try these exercises on page number 11 of the NCERT book. Now in this question, first question what it says, we are doing question number 1. Here it says that we have to read these numbers, write them using a placement box and write their expanded form, right? So let's do that. This is what a placement box look like. We write the number first, its different place values, its expansion, and also you can write, if you want to write the extended format of the number, how you read it, right? So long version अगर आपको number का लिखना है वो box भी आप इसमें add कर सकते हैं. So if this number is given to us, first we'll put commas, ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma. So we see from right hand side we'll start placing in the place value so that we know up till where we have to go. So we'll start from the right hand side. 0 ones come here, then 2 comes at the tens place, 3 at the hundreds, 5 at the thousand, 7 at the 10,000 and 4 at the lakh place. So this is how it is placed in the variations. How do we read it? 4,75,000. These two are 1,000. 10,000 for 70. 7 to become 70. 5 for 1,000. So 75,320. There is no ones. It is just 2 zeros. So this becomes 20. 4,75,320. You can read this. What is the expansion form? I'll write expansion for 1. We can do the rest. 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus we have 0, so nothing into 1. So this is how the expansion for this number will look like. Similarly, we can do for the rest of the numbers. Second numbers, we'll start from the right. We'll write 5 at the ones place, 1, then 200, 7,000, 40,000, 8 lakh and then 90 lakhs. Right? We'll put the commas, something like this. So how will we read this? 98 lakh. There are two notations for lakh, 90 and 8. This is 10 lakh, so this becomes 90 and 8. So 98 lakh 47,000. Again 4 at the 10,000 and 7 at the 1,000. 47,250. That is how we read this. Now next, again first we'll put the commas. Starting from the right, 0, 1, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7 and 9. Now this is coming till crores, right? This line has become crore. So 9 crores, lakhs we have again 7, 70 and 6. So 76 lakh, 45,310. So how do we read this? 9 lakh 76,000 for 76 lakh 45,310. Clear? The last one, let's start from the right. 4, 9, 0, 8, 5, 4, 0 and 3. Again in crores. So this here becomes at 3 crores. These two on lakh, we have 0 for 10 lakh, we have 4 for lakh. That becomes 4 lakhs. Then again 5 for 10,000, 50,000, 8 for 1,000. This becomes 58,000. So we'll write 3 crores, 4 lakh, 58,094. This is how you read. Okay, so we did the placement box, we did the expansion, how to expand, how to write the place value. The second part, we say these are the 4 numbers that we have been given. We are asked what is the smallest number from all of these, right? First of all, we'll put the commas, which is easy for us to understand. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then lakh and 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and 9 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 3 crores. Now, like initially we did, how do we find the greatest and the smallest number? The maximum number of digits is the greatest number. The low number of digits is the smallest number. Now here, these two digits are in crores. They have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. This is also 8-digit number. Here, this is 7-digit number, and this one is 6-digit number. So clearly, since this number is the 6-digit number, this is in lakhs, and that too 4,75,320. This is our least number, the smallest number. The smallest number is 4,75,320. Right? Now, when we find the greatest number, these two numbers had the greatest number of bits. This has 8 digits. This has 8 digits. Now we'll compare the highest power, 9 and 3. 9 is greater than 3. So clearly this is our greatest number. Greatest number is 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. Right? Now the next part says we have to arrange these in ascending and descending order. Now what do we mean by ascending order? Lower to higher. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर हमारा कौन सा है? 4,75,320. Then the bigger than that is 7-digit number, 6-digit, 7-digit, these two 8-digit. So this is the higher one from this. So second number आ गया हमारा 98,47,215. Then out of these two we mentioned that this number is bigger than this because 9 is bigger than 3. So this will come next and then the highest number. So 3 crore 4,58,094, and then 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. This becomes our ascending order. Similarly, we'll write this in the opposite form. The greatest first, 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. Then 3 crore 4 lakh 58,094. Then 98 lakh 47,215, and then 4 lakh 75,320. So this becomes our descending order. The greatest one first, followed by chota, usse chota, and then sabse chota. So we're done with question number 1, all parts. Okay, so now let's come to the second question. Here 4 numbers are given to us. Again we have to make the placement box. We'll put the place values, ones, tens, 100,000, and we can write the expanded form just like we did in the previous question. Now another part that says is we have to put the commas notation according to Indian and international system in the numbers. Now let's see the difference. If we talk about this number, right? Now our Indian notation is the place values like we have been putting ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Let's put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakh. So how do we read this? 5,27,864. Right? Now when it comes to international system, what happens? Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. There are also 100,000 in that, and if we would have a previous number, we'll put a comma there. But we don't. So how do we read this one? 527,000. These are 3 digits. We have 3 digits for 1000 as well in the international system. जैसे कि आपने previous topics में पढ़ा होगा. So ones, tens, 100, comma. Then for 1000 also ones, tens, and 100. So this reads as 527,864 in the international system. Next, come to the next one. Now here ones, tens, 100, comma, and 1000. In this case, both of them have the same notation. Because we have 5-digit numbers, this will also read 95,432. This will also read 95,432. Let's come to the next one. Now, ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma. How do we read this one? 1 into crores. This has become now place value कौन सी आ गई? Crore, 8th digit, right? 1 crore 89 lakhs. Sorry, 1 crore 89 lakh 50,049. This is crore. These are lakhs. This is thousand. And these are your first 3 digits. So 1 crore 89 lakhs 50,049. When it comes to this notation, what happens? 0, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Then it becomes million and 10 million. In this notation, this is million, this is 1,000, and these are your 3. How will we read this one? 18 million. In million also we have ones, tens, and thousands, hundreds. So this is 18. 18 million 950,000 and then 49. Are you getting? We are reading this in million. जैसे यहाँ पे thousands में है thousands, then 10,000, then 100,000. Again when it comes to million, 10 million and 100 million is there, and then higher degree is billion. Let's see the next one. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 7 crore, 0 lakhs, 2,509. How do we read this one? 7 crore, no lakhs, there are 0 for both the lakhs, 2,509. In this case, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, lakh, million and 10 million. So this becomes million. This is for 1,000. These are the rest 3. So how do we read this one? 70 million, no thousands. Okay, we have 2,000. 70 million, 2,509. So this is how the difference between Indian and international system of notations. Okay. So the B part of this question says we have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. First, let's put the commas for our convenience, and generally for our Indian syllabus, we'll be following Indian system only. We'll not confuse ourselves with the international system. That is only for your knowledge. So, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 crore, like this. Okay. So, how many number of digits are here? 6-digit number, 5-digit number, 8-digit number and 8-digit number. So clearly when we are arranging in ascending order, we want the smallest number first, least number of digits 5. This is our smallest number. So 95,432. Then next higher than this is 6. 6-digit number कौन सा है हमारा? 5,27,864. Now these two both numbers are 8-digit numbers. So we'll compare the highest value. Here we have 1 crore. Here we have 7 crores. So 7 is greater than 1. This is bigger. So this will be our largest number. First we'll put the lower one because we are writing in ascending order. So 1 crore 89 lakh 50,049. And the last highest number will be 7 crore 2,509. So this is our ascending order. We'll write it in reverse. That will be a descending order. Highest number first, then second highest, then उससे छोटा number 6-digit, and then सबसे छोटा number 95,432. Okay, so now let's come to the other try these box on page number 11. The first question says these are the few digits that have been given to us and we have to make 5 numbers of 6 digits on our own. There are 6 digits given to us, but remember we have to make a 6 digit number. So for that जो भी हमारे पास यहाँ पे 0 भी है, हम किसी भी नंबर में फर्स्ट डिजिट 0 नहीं ले सकते बिकॉज देन इट विल बिकम अ 5 डिजिट नंबर. तो हमें कोई भी रैंडम 6 नंबर्स बनाने हैं 6 डिजिट के. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं इनको 4 5 6 0 7 8, देन 5 7 8 6 0 4, देन 6 0 7 8 4 5, 5 0 8 7 6 4. Okay, let's do with these 4 numbers, or should we take one more? Okay, let's take one more. 7 0 8 6 5 4. Okay, so these are our 5 numbers that I have randomly selected. No particular order, no hard and fast rule. Only rule is we have to make a 6 digit number, so we cannot put 0 in the front, because if we put 0 in the front it will become a 5 digit number. So these are our 6 digit numbers. Let's put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. These are all 6 digit number, so they will all be in lakh. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to arrange them in ascending and descending order. Again the same process. We are having all 6 digit numbers same, so we'll compare the highest power. 4 5 6 5 and 7. So which is the largest one? 7. So our descending order से करते, largest number हो गया हमारा 7,08,654. So that becomes our greatest number. Now उससे छोटा हमारे कौन सी नोटेशन है? 7 से नीचे क्या आएगा हमारा 6, right? So 6,07,845. उसके बाद इससे छोटे कौन से? दोनों 5. Now 5 and 5 both are same, number of digits are same, so we'll compare the next highest power. यहाँ पे है 7, यहाँ पे है 0. So 7 is greater, so we'll write 5,78,604 and then 5,08,764. लास्ट में कौन सा नंबर बचा हमारे पास? 4 वाला. So 4,56,078. So this becomes our descending order. इसी को रिवर्स में लिख लेंगे. This is our smallest number जो 4 लाख से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. So 4,56,078. Then उससे बड़ा 5,08,764. फिर उससे बड़ा 5,78,604. फिर उससे बड़ा 6,07,845 and then the highest number 7,08,654. So this is how we read numbers, put the commas, arrange them in ascending and descending order. Okay. So now in second and third question also we have given a number of digits and we have to form numbers. Let's see. In second we have to make 3 numbers each with 8 digits. Now here we are given 6 digits but we have to make a 8 digit number. So what does that mean? कहीं ना कहीं हमें किसी नंबर को रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. We'll have to use repetition because we have only 6 digits. So any 3 8 digit number can be I have repeated 9, then I have repeated 5 and 9. Here I have repeated 4. Now let's put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So how will we read this? 4,56,78,999. For this number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 4,55,67,899. Here 9 crore 87 lakh 65,444. This is how we read them. We have put the commas as per our Indian standard notation. Again with this number 304, we have to make 5 numbers with 6 digits. Now here we have to make numbers of 6 digits. So we'll have to do multiple repetition, and also since we are making 6 digit number, we have a 0 here. We cannot put 0 in the first place because then it will become a 5 digit number. So what possibilities could be there? Six digit number. We can do any kind of repetition because we have not been given any rule whatsoever. Just that we have to use all the 3 digits. So using 304, I have randomly made 6 numbers of 6 digit numbers. You can make any. There is no rule here. Here I have repeated 0 4 times. Here I have repeated 3 times. I have taken 3 twice here, 3 here. Any kind of repetition and any kind of notation you can use. Only you have to remember that first place can be either 3 or 4. It cannot be 0 because once you put 0 here, then this number will not be a 6 digit number. So you have to be careful about that. So let's put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This becomes 3 lakh and 4. This becomes 4 lakh and 3. This becomes 4 lakh 330. Here 3 lakh 33,040. 4 lakh 333. 3 lakh 4,003. This is how you read them. This is how you put. Now on page number 12, try these. We have 2 questions. First question is how many centimeters will make a kilometer? So let's see. We know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This implies how many centimeters will be there in 1 kilometer? 1000 meter, and 1 meter equals to 100 सेंटीमीटर. जहाँ पे मीटर था वहाँ 1 मीटर की जगह हमने लिख दिया 100 सेंटीमीटर. So this becomes 1, 3, 4 and 5. So this becomes 1 lakh centimeters makes 1 kilometer. We'll multiply 1000 with 100. We'll get 5 zeros. So 1s, 10s, 100, comma 1000, 10,000, comma lakh. So 1 lakh centimeters make 1 kilometer. Right, now the second part says this you can do from any Google research. You can take any 2 cities, Delhi and Mumbai. I have taken their distance in kilometers. So their distance is 1400. We can write 1417. Delhi to Pune 1472. Bangalore to Chennai 400 kilometer. You can take any 2 cities. You can calculate their distance. You can do the Google research in that.